Windows 10 surprisingly doesn't make it very easy to access safe mode. In order to do this, you have to actually hold the Shift button, and then you want to click the Windows icon on the bottom left side of the screen. Click Power. You're going to want to click Restart. While holding the Shift button. Hold that Shift button and click Restart. Keep holding the Shift button while the computer restarts. Then the screen will pop up to choose an option. This is basically that same screen that you would hit F8 for in Windows 7 and below, but this is the new version of that same screen. So the first thing you want to do is click the Troubleshoot button, and then you want to do Advanced Options. Don't do Reset this PC unless you really want to format your computer or restore Windows to a previous setting or repair Windows. So let's do Advanced Options. And then what you want to do is click Startup Settings. This tells you what you can do at Startup Settings. And you can see that the fourth option is that Safe Mode. So you'll hit Restart, and it won't let you do it right away, but click Restart now. Computer is restarting. Okay, so now once it's restarted, you'll see this new Startup Settings screen, which will give you the option to choose Safe Mode. If you have to seriously repair things in your computer, such as getting rid of malware that won't stop running, the fourth option, Enable Safe Mode, is the best. If you do it with networking, it makes it harder to get rid of malware and make other changes. So if you hit 4, you'll go to Safe Mode. Computer is now loading Windows 10 in Safe Mode. Take a second. Okay. After you log into your computer, you will now successfully be in safe mode. Definitely takes a few extra steps in Windows 10. I'm guessing Windows 11 is not going to be any easier. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.